another cool project.
What's this project going to be?
To make a doorbell for a box fort.
And what are you going to do when somebody rings the doorbell?
It's a surprise.
Well, I guess it will be. Since we'll be using electromagnets for this project, we'll talk about how an electromagnet works. Now, you guys like building forts, don't you?
Yes.
Why don't you show us how you build your fort?
We made this fort by getting cardboard boxes and we make them into the general shape of the fort. Then we put blankets as on the roof. If you look inside, there are little ways that you can hide from people coming in.
Okay, so let's talk about electromagnets. Why don't you guys show me what an electromagnet can do?
We made this circuit with batteries, electromagnet, and a homemade switch made from a paper clip and some copper wires.
So is this circuit complete? Is the electromagnet magnetized?
No, the circuit is not complete. If we turn the circuit upside down, the metal rod will fall out.
Show us.
Like that. But if we complete the circuit, when we turn the circuit upside down, the metal rod will not fall out since the magnet is turned on. We can use it to pick up paper clips. See? And there for a moment.
So how is it possible that we can turn this magnet on and off? Let's make a picture. The first thing you need to know is that when electricity flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field. For instance, in this circuit, when we complete the circuit and electricity is flowing through these wires, it creates a small magnetic field around these wires. If you create a coil of wire and connect it to a power source like a battery, then a bigger magnetic field is created inside the coil because of all of the little magnetic fields around each individual loop of wire. Now this electromagnet has a metal core, which by itself is not magnetic. But when it's exposed to the magnetic field from the electromagnet, the magnetic field of the atoms in this core line up and make the magnetic field even stronger.
Let's make the doorbell.
Good idea. What else do we need?
A spoon on a string. And a pot.
We'll design this so when nobody's at the door, the electromagnet will be on and it will hold on to the spoon.
When people come to visit, they press on the clothespin, which breaks the circuit.
Since the electromagnet turns off, it lets go of the spoon.
Which hits the pot. Then here goes.
What's it? One more time.
It works.
So are you ready to have me come over to your fort for a visit?
Almost. Let us set it up.
I wonder what's going to happen.
Do you want a muffin?
Oh my goodness! Wow, I would love a muffin! Thanks, guys! Check out our show next month. We'll show you how to use a breadboard for building circuits, and we'll make a fun challenge game. We also have info on parts and project guidance for adults on our website at geekpackhack.com. Please leave us a comment to let us know what you think and to send us your ideas for wacky hacks. If you enjoy our show, don't forget to subscribe and give us the thumbs up.